York County. Here we go.
Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Lancaster County, Pennsylvania, southeastern York County, Pennsylvania, until 10:45 p.m. At 10:14 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms. These severe storms extended from Churchtown to Quarryville to Fun Grove, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. These storms are capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations included in the warning: Leola, New Holland, Willow Street, Adamstown, Delta, Gap, Boltwood, Paradise, Shanks Ferry, Smithville, Strasburg, Sunnyburn, Terre Hill, and Wakefield. Other notable locations in the warning: Dutch Wonderland. This will impact the Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 200